children, good morning. Have you read the lesson yesterday? I have said you lesson, yes? Till where we have learned yesterday? Have you remembered? Once again I will repeat the lesson. Listen carefully. What happened yesterday? Suraj and Ammachi. What is the lesson name, children, first? Ammachi's Amazing Machine. What is the lesson name? Ammachi's Amazing Machine. Yesterday we was discussing about a boy Suraj and his grandmother. He was discussing about Suraj and the grandmother. We will call grandmother as Ammachi in the other language. Yes, Ammachi means grandmother. Suraj asked grandmother to prepare coconut burfi. Yes. Then what grandmother said? Grandmother said, "You will help me. Then we will prepare coconut burfi." Then they went into the coconut garden. To pick the coconut. What they did there to pick the coconut? They made an amazing machine. And they used a sari as a pulley. They used the sari and they used the pulley. What they did? They picked the right one. What they did? Here it was a pulley. You can see in your book's picture. It is a pulley. And they tied it is a tree. Here they tied the sari like a slide. In the parks you will be sliding, no? Like that, they tied a sari like a slide. And swing where Ammachi was sitting. It is like a swing means you know, no? It is like this. She was on this. She wore a helmet and she was sitting on that. And Suraj was making a pulley. He was turning the roll here. Then the rope is going up. The swing also went up. What did Ammachi do? Ammachi picked the right one, which is in brown color. The coconuts are in brown color. She picked it and she put here. Means what she did? She slided here down. The coconuts came sliding down. And what they did? They collected all the coconuts and they went to husk remover. Near the husk remover. What it is husk remover? The outer part of the coconut, which we will peel the outer part of the coconut that is husk remover. You can see the picture. See here, the slide, the pulley, the swing. Ammachi is sitting here. He is doing the pulley and it is going up and the coconuts are rolling down. You can see here, coconuts are rolling down and they are removing the coconut's outer part. You can see here, husk remover. This is called as husk remover. Understood, children? Now we will go into the next part of the lesson. Page number 4. Listen carefully. Then we crack the shell like this katak. What they did? They break the coconut. They have break the coconut. Yes? When we will break the coconut, the sound comes, no? Same here, he is telling the sound as katak. And what they are taking, see, they are breaking the coconut and the water, they are taking the water into a bowl. And then we grate the fruit. Ammachi took out another amazing machine, the coconut grater. Round and round, Suraj drilled the handle and soon there was a mound of soft, fluffy, white grated coconut on the plate. What happened there? Then they took the fruit. Ammachi took out another amazing machine. What is the another amazing machine? Coconut grater. He was rounding it like this. Suraj was round and round. Drilled means what? Turned round in fast circles. You can see in the picture. It is there, handle. He was moving the handle like this, keeping the coconut here and he was moving like this. Yes, then it came the soft, fluffy, white, grated coconut on the plate. You can see in the picture clearly, children. You can see in the picture clearly. The next page, 5. Page number 5. Toss it into the pan with all the other ingredients. It smells so good, Ammachi. And she put all the coconut into the kadai with a lot of sugar and ghee. What they did? They on the gas and they put the pan and all the ingredients. She put all the ingredients into the pan and she was tossing, and it smells very good. See what she added. Ingredients means what? The items used to prepare a dish. The items used to prepare a dish, that are called as ingredients. You can tell here what are the ingredients here used to coconut burfi? Coconut, ghee and sugar. What they did? They tossed into the pan coconut in the kadai with a lot of sugar and ghee. Then we pour it all out onto a tray, wait for it to cool, but Suraj could barely wait. See what they did, after preparing all that, they fried very nicely, they mixed it they have tossed it very nicely, and they poured into a plate. They poured into the plate and they were waiting for to cool it. They were waiting for cool, but Suraj can't wait that much time. Now cut into neat little slices. What they did, after pouring into the plate, they have, after cooling down, they have cut into small little slices. Slices means small pieces. EP, our coconut burfi is ready to be eaten. Yum, yum, yum. What here? Hey, EP was shouting like that, and coconut burfi is very ready to eat. He was telling yum, yum, yum means what? Yum means very tasty. Yummy, you will tell no? Yummy. It is very tasty. Here, how they prepared a coconut burfi, children? Suraj, Ammachi, both of them together helped each other and they prepared the coconut burfi. Have you understood the lesson, children? Yesterday you read the lesson? Yes, today also you read the lesson once again. Okay, so shall I ask you some questions here? What did Suraj want to make with his grandmother? Once again, what did Suraj want to make with his grandmother? What he want to make with his grandmother? Yes, coconut burfi. Where were the coconut trees? Where were the coconut trees, children? In the garden. In the garden. What did Ammachi and Suraj make to pick the coconuts? What they made? What they make to pick the coconuts? They used the old sari like a slide and they made a pulley and swing. Yes. What kind of coconuts did they pick? What kind of coconuts did they pick? They picked ripe one, which is in brown color. Which is in brown color. Now shall I read the lesson once again? Listen carefully and repeat after me. Ammachi, Ammachi, can we make coconut burfi today? Ammachi, Ammachi, can we make coconut burfi today? Suraj asked his grandmother, please. Suraj asked his grandmother, please. Hey, 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 only if you help me make it hey, replied Ammachi. Hey, shouted Suraj. Suraj and Ammachi went out into the garden where there were many coconut trees. They made an amazing machine to pick coconuts. They used Ammachi's old saris and a pulley. Then Ammachi put a helmet on her head and upon the swing she went. Ready, shouted Suraj. Ready, said Ammachi. Swash went up Ammachi on the swing as Suraj worked the pulley. We will only pick the ripe ones, okay? The ones that are brown all over. Watch out. Here they come. Whoosh, wham. Whoosh came the coconuts rolling down the slide made of saris. Onwards to the amazing husk remover machine. Now to get the husk off, potch crack. Suraj's stomach went gurr. Ammachi giggled. You should read the lesson like this, children. Yes? Yesterday, have you written the letters? Have you written the listen and say aloud in the classwork? I think you have done the work. Listen and say in the classwork. Yes? And the new words. Today, what is your homework? You should read the lesson and you should answer these questions. What are these questions, children? Let us discuss. You should answer these questions. Understood? Listen carefully. Then we crack the shell like this, scattered. And then we grate the fruit. Ammachi took out another amazing machine, the coconut grater. Round and round Suraj drilled the handle, and soon there was a mound of soft, fluffy, white grated coconut on the plate. Toss it into the pan with all the other ingredients. It smelled so good, Ammachi. And she put all the coconut in the kadai with a lot of sugar and ghee. Then we pour it all out onto a tray. Wait for it to cool, Baba, but Suraj could barely wait. Now cut it into neat little slices. Yippee! Our coconut burfi is ready to be eaten. Yum, yum, yum. Yes, your lesson is completed. Now you should read the lesson. I have read the lesson. You also should read the lesson and you should write the new words. And today your homework is you should answer these questions in your homework book. Read the lesson and answer these questions in your homework book. What are the questions? Let us discuss. What is your books, Nana? English books. 4 ruled books you should take. 2 books. English classwork 1 and English homework 1. 4 ruled book. This is your 4 ruled book. You should take for classwork 1. Homework 1. Yes, you should take classwork 1, homework 1. Yesterday what you have written in the classwork? Listen and say aloud words. Listen and say aloud words. Classwork. And new words. New words. This is your yesterday's work. Yes, children, this is your yesterday's work. And today I am giving you the homework. What is the homework? Read the lesson and answer the LUD. LUD means what? Let us discuss in your homework. Understood, children? All should read the lesson and complete the work which we have given. Yes? Okay. Thank you.